Hi and welcome to another video. This is Eleni and today I'm going to share with you my process to these adorable flower tags that you can also make into cards for Mother's Day. What you will need is flowers. They can be stickers, they can be die cuts, they can even be real pressed flowers, whatever you have. I will stick my flowers into these laminating pouches that I have and run them through my laminating machine. But if you don't have one, you can also use some plastic sheet like I will be showing you here with my third tag, where I'm using a clear sheet protector. Just keep in mind that this option works better with stickers. I will use book pages with ancient Greek text as the base for the tags, and I will need 2 pages for each tag that I keep together with a paper clip for now, and I cut them to size with my scissors. This video is part of an art collaboration and video hop called Third Saturday Art, and you can find all the information about it in the description box. So after watching it, you are very welcome to watch all the other participants by hopping from one video to the next by using the links given to you below. Hope you enjoy our creative fun and don't hesitate to leave any questions you may have. Now I'm using a sticky note as a template to create my window, and I'm adjusting it accordingly to each tag, as you will see. To open the window, I'm either using an X-Acto knife or my scissors, and the easiest way to do that is to first make a hole in the middle, because that gives you access to cut on the lines easier. I also like rounded corners on my tags, so I do that with a punch, but you can, of course, skip this step. I'm using ground espresso distress oxide ink around the window, and I will later on also go around the tag with the same ink. I'm now using craft glue to put it all together, and don't forget that if you are using the clear sheet protector, you also have to put a layer of glue in between the 2 clear layers as well, as you will see me do on the last tag. Now I can remove the paper clips and cut the top side of the tags into any size I want. And after going around the edges with oxide ink, I will also do so with black ink, and this specific one is Cave Black Squid Ink by Jane Davenport. I will use some butterflies as well, and I will show you how I prepare them. I'm using 1 layer of a napkin with butterflies, and I adhere it to a thick copy paper by using glossy medium or glue both under and over it. And when it's thoroughly dry, I get sheets of butterflies that are sturdy enough to use as paper cutouts. I will also use some inspirational quotes by Tim Holt's Ideology, and as you see, I'm inking the edges of every element as it gives it a vintage look that I'm going for. I'm using a thin wire to create the antennae of the butterflies by curling it and folding it in a way that makes it easier to adhere, and I'm using craft glue only under the bodies of the butterflies so that their wings are three-dimensional. I needed ribbons that were brown, but I didn't have any, so here you can see how I fixed that by using my brown oxide ink with water. While I was passing them through the holes, one of them tore, so you will also see how I fixed that. And if you were wondering about my handy little non-stick mat, it is a baking mat that I got from IKEA that I have cut in half, and it is so good at making papers, inks and whatnot to stay put, preventing them from moving around, but also it's great as a palette as it cleans up so easily. And that was all from me for today. Hope you enjoyed my video and got inspired. Don't forget to check out the rest of the videos in the hop. Thank you so much for being here. Stay safe and see you soon. Love and kisses.